In order to make cleaning and maintenance of your home and life easier, you want to have your products easy to grab. So make sure that you've got products that are multi-purpose, that work for multiple things and that work really well. Set up a cleaning tote so that way you have all the different stuff that you might come across as you're doing a wandering cleaning or cleaning in an area. Use a full or half apron. That way you have the pockets. And you can tuck things in the pockets so that way as you walk around, you've already got your tools right there on you. Stick donation bins in various spots around your house so that way as you find clothes that you don't like that much anymore or things that just aren't your thing anymore, you can put them in a donation bin. And keep common cleaners where you use them. So something like Lysol wipes or Clorox wipes, whichever type of wipes you like, keep those in multiple places. Stuff like that is really helpful to just be able to grab quickly and wipe something that you notice when you notice it. And if you've got a special type of thing that maybe tends to get cluttered more often or can cause problems, make sure to have a system for it, like your action file, to keep all of your papers organized and not in piles. Use checklists, whether you create your own or you grab from the Suzanna Kaye store at SuzannaKaye.com. Grab the home maintenance and deep cleaning checklist, and then you have all of your cleaning tasks, all of your home maintenance tasks, nice and easy. You just go down. If it's not checked off, it needs to be done. But having checklists takes your brain out of it. You don't have to think about what needs to be done. Remember, it is okay if you do not do it perfectly the first time. Just get it finished and go back and refine.